a banana bread with some ice cream.
It's an ice cream.
Good.
Blueberry.
You have to watch my video. And come back to make scones with me. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make banana bread. We need brown sugar, a bowl, banana, baking soda, and milk, spatula, vanilla, another spatula, and another spatula.
Brother and egg.
Measuring cup, good job.
Can we start baking now, please?
Yes, we can.
First, get your bowl. Next, get your banana. It's so squishy. Can you help me?
The banana has to be very soft.
Yeah. Not this.
So let me help you peel the banana. You have to do this. Woo! You want the banana to be very soft. The softer the banana, the better it will be. It will be best that way. Woo! Wow. Come on. Okay, so we need, how many bananas do we need?
10.
No, 10. This was 2. 4. Don't taste, girl. Don't be eating the banana. No eating of the banana.
I like it.
You like it, I know. Don't put your hand in.
I want to taste banana.
Okay.
Match your banana with the spatula. And my sister's helping me. We need 6 tablespoons of butter. Auntie's gonna help me measure. Here's your whisker and mixing. Half a cup of sugar.
I want to fix it.
I'm gonna put sugar.
Mine?
Get your spoon. Put your sugar in your mixture. Add your milk.
Add your milk.
It's all done, then you can lick it. And I know you too. Take it out.
The butter.
And then you can lick the rest. Put the spoon right now.
And the butter.
Yeah, you can lick it. Yummy milk. It's condensed milk.
It's yummy.
I know.
And then milk.
Yummy milk.
I ate it.
Hey! Woman,
Butter.
it's okay.
Can you lick it?
Yes, you can lick it. Langa.
Oh, it's good.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Can I taste it?
Taste it.
Can you taste mine?
Yeah. It's not too sweet. That's good.
Time to add our flour.
Flour.
Preheat your oven.
Put it in the tray. Put it in the tray.
Say it, Mama.
Bring it
Wait. Let her say it, Fairy. What did you say?
Bring this into the tray.
Butter your tray.
That's not what you do.
Time to pour in the baking pan.
You're pouring it.
Mm-hmm.
You're pouring it.
Yes, I'm pouring it.
This.
Mm-hmm.
You're pouring it.
Ooh, it's looking good.
Looking good.
Yeah.
I like that.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
Banana cake.
No, it's banana bread.
Looking good.
Mhm.
Put all of this.
Mhm.
Bake it for 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's see if the banana bread is ready. I think it's ready. My auntie's gonna help me cut it.
Ta-da!
Wow! So cool!
It came out easily.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. What time is it?
Cutting time!
Can you smell the bread, the banana?
Yeah, it's good. Is it good?
Yeah. Came out really good.
Really good?
Oh, it's too hot. You can just see. It's too hot, but it's fine.
It's so funny.
I'm gonna let it cool down a bit. Oh, look at that. It's not falling.
It looks like a bread.
It looks like a bread.
Yeah.
It is bread.
But it looks like a bridge.
Oh, it's hot.
It looks like a bridge, Auntie.
Yeah. Oh, bridge.
Yeah.
Oh, that one is gonna fall.
I'm gonna try mine with ice cream. We're gonna go ahead and try our banana bread with some ice cream.
It's an ice cream.
Do you want to try one?
Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
I use brown bread. I mean brown
Sugar.
sugar.
Yeah. And that's what we added. I'm very added a lot of vanilla and she make a mess. That was her fault. I think Auntie has to buy more vanilla.
I do.
Yeah. And she doesn't even have whipped cream. She has to buy it.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna make scones next time. And you have to watch my videos. And come back to make scones with me. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, sister. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.